To the people.
I think animals are people.
All right. All right. In some shape or form. He was a person.
What's up, YouTube? We are back with another motherfucking video. Today we will be doing some cooking. Woo! As you don't know, Jared don't know how to cook. So today he wants to try some cooking things, and we're gonna see how that go. Don't mind your girl, cause I look a mess. I'm kind of tired. But we ain't been posting like we supposed to be posting, and that's our fault. You know what I'm saying? That's our fault. But yeah, today we're doing a cooking video. You said you wanted to do some pasta, right? Doing some pasta. He don't know what kind of pasta, what he wants in the pasta. He just know he wants some type of pasta. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna get back to y'all when we get to the supermarket, and we're gonna grab our stuff.
She told me, hey, yo, that joint was nasty, yo.
This joint was nasty?
That joint.
I should try another one?
Yeah, get something new.
Bingo.
Yeah, try that one. What was the last? What's that? No, pina colada. Chill.
Pina colada is good.
You had that whole joint to yourself. That joint's trash. I don't want that joint.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't like the smell of these noodles.
Uh-oh.
I don't like
With that?
My bad.
Oh, this is a fresh joint.
Nah.
Yeah, that's a fresh joint. What it smell like? She said she don't like the smell of the man. What we chefing up? I need some of them Obey shrimp, yes sirski. Yeah, let me get 2 pounds of that.
No.
Slap that on there.
That's cooked, baby. We can't put no cooked shrimp in the cook.
We can't do what?
We can't do that.
We can't do that?
No.
Oh, my fault. I don't really.
It's gonna be rubbery.
I don't
it's gonna be overcooked.
I don't really cook like that.
Yeah, we know.
You can tell?
Yeah.
Okay. They
So
got the Obey already on.
is like they feed what they want to the
Okay.
to the food.
All right now. Yup. To the people.
I think animals are people.
All right. All right. In some shape or form. He was a person.
We can actually.
Got the 2 halves.
How you feel? You want to make the Alfredo from scratch? Yeah, we got to. We got to make it from scratch because he don't know how to cook.
Yeah.
He need to.
So
we need to go back to dairy.
All right, yeah. Come on, let's go. Shredded Parmesan.
They didn't have heavy whipping cream, so we got light cream. Hopefully that doesn't affect the taste. It shouldn't, because the cheese gives it flavor. We need that. Some seasonings. We got seasonings at home. You want? Maybe we can add one other type of cheese. What you think?
I don't know. However you supposed to cook it. You supposed to be? Are you supposed to be switching it up like this?
You cook it how you need.
Are you? Well, then let's throw some different cheeses in there.
You got a slow.
Let me get that half and half. Like that.
So that's the Mexican style or mozzarella.
Yeah, I like Mexican. That joint tastes good.
I wish they had like some Gouda.
Cool.
Gouda is really like creamy. Oh wait. They usually have I don't know, like a pizza mix, and it's supposed to be a creamy.
Pause.
You don't want the Mexican mix.
I don't like how you was explaining that.
Cheddar? How you feel about cheddar?
I don't like cheddar.
Cheddar.
How you gonna ask me to turn cheddar?
You don't know what cheddar tastes like.
Now I don't know what something tastes like.
You just don't like orange cheese.
Pap, get pap.
You just don't like orange cheese.
I don't like orange cheese.
That's why you say you don't.
But I don't like cheddar cheese either.
Oh, they do got Gouda with it.
It's cold. Son, I need gas. We gotta go get gas after this. So, I'm waiting for her to bring this stuff outside. I just came out here to warm up the car. We better go get some gas. And then we about to go home and make this meal, finish this video, start editing this video, and try and get this joint out. Shit, tomorrow. I'll let y'all when we get to the crizzle.
Chef Jared is in the building.
I can cook.
Okay, let me see something.
Everybody just think I can't. I know what.
Cause you let everybody else cook. You don't never.
I'm not supposed to cook.
Why?
I'm not saying that. I didn't even say that. I didn't say that.
He meant it.
Alright, what's that one?
Because you the man of the house.
I didn't say that.
The woman belong in the kitchen.
Oh.
I would actually get that plastic bag.
I gotta peel all these joints one by one. You gonna help me?
No.
What?
What?
So you're not about to do nothing? Huh?
I said I'm about to help.
I just asked you.
This is me helping. I told you I was gonna instruct you on what to do, and you was gonna implement. You mean.
Weird. Where I put him at? Like after I'm done, give me a bowl or something.
You can actually put them on a plate. Let's not make more dishes.
I mean, less dishes is possible.
Look, they already deveined and stuff. There you go.
I'm about to get this done. I'm gonna show y'all how to. I know how to survive. Y'all know how to cook. Do y'all know how to survive?
What do you think you should do?
Clean it.
Yes. There you go. Dee dee dee.
Ooh. How do I clean it?
Just wash it off, baby. Yep, there you go. Become one with the salmon. Yeah, that's good. We're gonna let that get hot a little bit.
Then what?
And then we're gonna put the shrimp and stuff in there.
Look, now she wants
shrimp. We got the shrimp.
Now she gotta show everybody.
He talking about why you turned it off? Cause the flame was right there. You wanted to burn your hand off with a plastic.
I don't have a.
You know you could have just used a fork, baby.
Yeah, where am I giving that? I don't have one. No, I'm not gonna. You just said don't make no dishes, right? Quick to grab a dish.
We don't want that. Yeah.
Let me marinate my Caesars right there. Look at this, man. This don't feel like it's coming out.
Okay.
Let me marinate my stuff. Just pay attention over here, alright?
Okay, what's that? Let them know what you're using as you use it. No, not the big side, please. There you go.
Yeah, chill out. Let me marinate it.
Okay.
You get some back here.
What's that? That's chili powder, baby. Be careful. could use some paprika too. Good.
My nose tingling.
Oh, okay. We got some paprika.
Alright. Slap some of that in there?
Yeah.
I got it. I got it.
Okay.
You ain't had to do that.
I need to be taller. Paprika not spicy. It's just for color.
Paprika. Paprika.
You could flip the salmon. Now we're going to chop that up. There you go.
It's Avery turn. Oh, damn. I was supposed to flip it. I was trying to be like...
Cute.
You look over here looking like somebody's mama and stuff. Man, because you got to cook dinner for a family of 5.
Still got some meat in there, but it's okay because all of this is gonna go together. Take some light cream. You see that good? You see the goodness already? The see?
This is goodness?
Yes. That red stuff is seasoning. That is seasoning for the soul.
The cheese is what makes the sauce thick.
Can you pass me the Gouda?
What? What is Gouda? Can I do that?
Sure.
What I gotta do?
Put it in here.
Because I want to get back to doing something.
It'll be better if you break it out.
She didn't just let it all marinate in there like that. Like that. You got wash that. You got rinse that.
Mix this around because he wanted it extra creamy. How you like it?
I made this, right?
He gonna look at you talking, right?
Why everybody trying to give my credit?
You did good, baby.
Mm.
Here's my juice. You did good. You did. Oh, shoot. I forgot all about my potato. I was so excited with the other stuff. See, now I don't even want my sweet potato.
Ooh. Oh, pause.
The food was good. Everybody liked it. Avery liked it. Even though it was her recipe, but my hand, whatever. The rest right here, we about to call it a night. She has to.
I'm gonna take some to work.
Yeah, I was about to say she gotta go to work. It's time to go get your money. Shmoney! But it's over with. We done this video. I don't know what the title gonna be, but
Cooking. cooking with us. Cooking with Jared.
We'll figure that out.
It's Jared. Oh,
and then
you just pushed me out the way.
This was the. Yo, she's so dramatic.
You literally just pushed me out the way. Come on.
All right, well.
I'm trying to love you.
That's it. That's all. Say goodbye. Deuces. Deuces. And we're gonna be back.
We're gonna see y'all later.
Later.
Later. Ew.